Hello everyone, here's another video in the financial market. Let's get started quickly and with this very simple strategy. It only consists of two indicators. And we'll start with the time frame settings, okay? Go to the candlestick session that is used for you. We're gonna use with that configuration, M1 and classic candles. Alright, and for those that would say we can see the time, here's activation option. They're going to see the indicators. We're going to set the elevator. Alright, so we're gonna use Alligator, as I said. We're gonna use Donchian Channel, and we're gonna use both indicators, right? With that settings 13.88553. Okay, and that's style. The color, guys, is up to you if you want to use the same or not. So that's up to you. So we're gonna click on save. Donchian Channel. 20 on period, that's color. If you want to use the background, okay. If not, that's good as well. Okay. So we're gonna start with $38, guys. With 30 with that, alright. So look at that. What does this strat consist of? It's very simple. The alligator average fall below during the dots. We just need to pay attention when you got a crossing line on this. Okay. So expiration time is 2 minutes, $30 for the first one. Let's try to identify and get the opportunity for us. Okay. So always pay attention when you get a crossing line, as that's happening right here, right now. Okay. That is a good call. So it's the best to go for a short time because entries get setting quickly. The price can rise quickly here and then fall. So I'm right in position. We just open that as a buy button. Okay. So let's watch for that. Look at this. We just got the crossing line on that. The candle is just going up. That's a good call. Let's watch for that. Suddenly there are very strong movement in one direction, and then it's rising and can fall. Look at this. It's beautiful. All right. Guys, and if you want to change all the time between the time frames to see what has happened, that is a good one, right? Just to see how more control of that. Okay, I'm ready on that. 10 seconds for that for the first one, and I was able to go in towards the upside. What's on the break? The conquest. Okay, and look at this, guys. Our first position. We just got $49 on that. That's pretty good. I think didn't explain it. That will be in 1 minute and 9 seconds for that. That's pretty good. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So, and guys, try to avoid to lose it. If you just open that with 2 minutes or 1 minute, that's depend. The next one could be as it ends up red and I get a loss on this. Okay, so I just changed that to 1 minute to take that one, right? And this try another entry criteria, and in favor of the trend, I'm going to look for the entry points, more or less than that. Why was this up? We're not going to draw lines. A green line, the other one more or less, and would be here. The ideal entry would be there. I can look off the average zones as an entry. It's direct, but I would more or less on the orange line. Right? Look at that. So the average would be my ideal point. Right? To avoid what good, losing because of bad entry. The wave is rising more strongly and fall sharply. It's like bouncing, okay? There's a lot of volatility if you notice that. That's not good for us. But change seconds and you don't even know if you're going to win or lose or draw. So let's see that. So we got this $92 on that. So it's pretty good. All right. If I have answered the button, guys, because I would have won easily without suffering. Although, well, who knows what would have happened. Okay, that's good. There's another criterion doing to define the trend. If you're against this, the trend is going to help you in that position. All right. I would go for a strong break and expect it to fall near that area. Look at that. All right. And that's where you'd wait 1 minute for the next one. Let's use $90. So as long as there's volatility, you would not enter. Pay attention. Look at direction. It's corrected toward the movement. And while I red have two positions in the end, the indicators are the guide. You are a guide that we're going to use the prices above or below your entry points. Right now, if you look at that, that's given different entry. You can use the price action as base, average support zone, and when there's pullback, which is more or less than entry. Has already given me a little, but it's still good. It's giving me a win. But the ideal entry had to be here more or less. All right. So retracement and still rejects the prices generation mid impulsive wave, guys. Retracement impulse, retracement, that is pullback or revert, that's the same thing. So here Q the retest makes low. The wave would continue. Otherwise, here and then go back. That's the criterion. The prices rise around there, rejects, and that's why I entry as a sell button.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
All right, now we're going to look at smaller time frame and the rise as gas as jumps. Like how it is going to remove that two lines and look at the entry. It's matches. It's almost matches the first one. The second entry is not good. But I have the position one and look at this. We got another one, guys. I went from $38 to $174, and there's a lot of volatility in the market. I had to change the time frame to 1 minute because it seemed a lot of very fast movement. Instead, you use 2 minutes, you might not see that. As I said, 5 minutes for 2 minutes or 1 minute, you can see with more details. So I invite you to like this video, guys, and leave your thoughts and strategies in the comments. And I invite you to daily live sessions on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Actually, right now, I wish you good profits, good operations. Have a great day, and see you later, guys. Bye-bye. See you.